Cooking with cheap pans can ruin a good stir-fry fast. I dealt with uneven heat, burnt vegetables, and handles that became too hot during cooking. After testing different cookware at home, I found the best copper wok heats quickly, responds fast to temperature changes, and cooks food more evenly. It also adds a premium feel to everyday cooking. Keep reading to discover which copper woks truly perform well in real kitchens. And all product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices, reviews, and full details easily. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Outset Grill Wok. The Outset Grill Wok with holes feels like a fun and easy option for outdoor grilling. The first thing I noticed was the lightweight design. It feels much easier to handle than heavy cast iron woks, especially during backyard cooking sessions. One feature I really liked was the double-coated non-stick surface. Food releases easily and cleanup feels quick after grilling vegetables, shrimp, or small meat pieces. The high-heat grill-safe construction also works well over open flames and handles strong heat without problems. Another thing that stood out was the perforated hole design. It allows smoky grill flavor to reach the food while keeping smaller ingredients from falling through the grates. The only downside is that it may not hold heat as long as cast iron. Still, for quick outdoor stir-fry and grilling, it feels lightweight and very easy to use around the grill. Number 4. All-Clad Copper Core 5-ply Stainless Steel Frying Pan. The All-Clad Copper Core 5-ply stainless steel frying pan feels like a premium pan built for serious cooking. The first thing I noticed was how fast and evenly it heats. The copper core responds quickly to temperature changes, which makes cooking feel more controlled and precise. One feature I really liked was the 5-ply copper core construction. It spreads heat evenly and helps avoid hot spots while frying or searing food. The stainless steel cooking surface also feels durable and handles high heat very well without scratching easily. Another thing that stood out was the oven and broiler-safe design up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It works great for finishing dishes in the oven. The only downside is the high price and extra care required. Still, for long-lasting performance and premium-level cooking, it feels strong, reliable, and worth the investment for serious home chefs. Number 3. ALFIQ Handmade Copper Wok Pan. The ALFIQ Handmade Copper Wok Pan feels like a perfect blend of traditional craftsmanship and strong cooking performance. The first thing I noticed was the beautiful hand-hammered copper finish, which gives the wok a unique artisanal look in any kitchen. One feature I really liked was the pure copper body construction. It heats quickly and reacts fast to temperature changes, which makes stir-fry cooking easier and more controlled. The tin-lined interior feels smooth, safe, and helps cook food evenly. I also loved the large 16.5-inch cooking surface for family meals. The only downside is the required hand washing and regular maintenance for long-lasting shine. Number 2. Mauviel M Heritage 150B Copper Frying Pan. The Mauviel M Heritage 150B Copper Frying Pan feels like a luxury cookware made for serious home chefs. The first thing I noticed was the polished copper finish. It looks beautiful and gives the kitchen a very professional feel. One feature I really liked was the 1.5mm copper construction. It heats quickly and gives excellent temperature control during cooking. The stainless steel interior lining also works very well. It keeps food flavors clean while making the pan easier to maintain after cooking. Another thing that stood out was the solid brass handle design. It feels balanced, sturdy, and comfortable while moving the pan around the stove. The only downside is the high price and extra care required. Still, for precise cooking and premium craftsmanship, it is worth it for people who love serious cooking at home. Number 1. Gotham Steel Hammered Copper Wok. The Gotham Steel Hammered Copper 14-inch non-stick frying pan feels like a big, easy, everyday pan for family cooking. The first thing I noticed was the large 14-inch size. It gives plenty of space for eggs, vegetables, or full meals without crowding the pan. One feature I really liked was the ultra non-stick ceramic coating. Food slides out easily, and I don't need much oil, which makes cooking feel lighter and healthier. The even heating base with induction support also helps food cook more evenly across the surface. Another thing I noticed was the glass lid with helper handle design. It makes cooking large meals easier to manage. The only downside is that the coating may wear over time. Still, for quick, easy, and family-sized cooking, it feels very practical and beginner-friendly. Final verdict. For the best copper wok overall, I personally recommend the Gotham Steel Hammered Copper Wok as the top pick. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and delivers smooth, non-stick cooking with fast, even heat, perfect for everyday meals and beginner-friendly use. For a second option, the Mauviel M Heritage 150B Copper Wok is the premium choice, offering professional-grade heat control, exceptional craftsmanship, and long-term durability for serious home chefs. Both are excellent, but Gotham Steel wins for convenience and value, while Mauviel is built for elite performance. Check the description link for prices, deals, and full product details before you buy.